Muhammad bin Muntashir states that he asked Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu about a man who wore perfume and then ihram in the morning. Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, I do not like to put on ihram in the morning, whereas my body exudes fragrance. It is better if I apply coal tar to my body instead of it. Muhammad bin Muntashir says, I then went to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and told her that Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, I do not like to put on ihram in the morning, whereas my body emits fragrance. It is better for me to apply coal tar to my body than perfume. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, I perfumed Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam before his donning ihram. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then visited his wives during the night and put on the ihram in the morning. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2834.